The most inexhaustible source of energy on the Earth is, notably, solar energy. To start with, the idea extract the energy from the sun's rays belonged to the French scientist Antoine César Becquerel. However, no one could build a structure to do this until 1882. An American scientist, Charles Fritz, invented the first working solar panel. He used thin sheets of selenium instead of silicon, which is widely used today, which were covered with gold. Later, in 1941, Russell All improved all developments, and 13 years later began mass production of solar panels. Nowadays, the efficiency of extracting energy has increased from 4 to 40%.
Nowadays, solar energy is widely used by numerous countries. Generally, it tends to be used by homeowners for their personal needs. However, because of large cities and factories need huge amounts of energy, people prefer use hybrid method of energy production, both solar panels and windmills. Unfortunately, complexes of development of large amounts of energy require a lot of space, which is one of the biggest issues with solar energy. However, people continue to find new areas to build solar plants. For example, on the water. Generally, nowadays, solar energy is used more and more. Production of solar energy has been rising dramatically since about 2007. So, on this pie chart, we can see how many megawatts produced by each of these countries in 2011 and estimate their percentage. Unfortunately, to make a transition from current energy sources to solar is not so simple, because of several reasons.
Some countries just have no opportunity to use solar energy, as the sun appears rarely on the sky. One of the major disadvantages of solar panels is high price of construction, which link with using rare elements. Take indium and tellurium for instance. But there are main reasons that prevent all the drawbacks. These reasons are the prospects, availability and renewability of the source of energy in the continuous growth of the price of traditional energy source. Theoretically, it is absolutely safe for the environment. Also, there is a possibility that the widespread adoption of solar energy can lead to climate change. However, at the present level of energy consumption is extremely unlikely. So, it is very potential source of energy and people have to substitute fossil fuel plants on solar.